Hello guys, welcome to the Hoplophile channel. Today we have a special guest. Explain yourselves.
I'm Marco from Commiebear.airsoft. Quite new to the scene, but people that know me, I've been doing quite a bit of crazy AK mods. Today we're going to be talking about a mod that I recently discovered. It's basically we're shoving a unicorn AG group into a maple leaf GBB hop-up chamber group. And if this all goes well, we can apply this mod to all GHK maple leaf chambers, including his GHK M4, 553s, AUGs. Fingers crossed.
Yeah, I'm pretty excited about it. Let's have a look at the results.
Yeah.
Do some testing, right? But dude, look at this. What the fuck?
How many shots is that?
1, 2, 3.
Free.
For what the fuck?
One flyer.
One flyer, but what the fuck? Okay, I'm a lousy shot, okay? I'll just chalk it up to me being a lousy shot. What the fuck?
Wait. Oh, no, that's just
Compare that to my reply. What the fuck? What is the actual fuck? Yo. Let's...
Where's the marker?
This is not cool, what the hell?
So...
Put a coin next to it.
$5 coin?
$5 coins. Within the size of $5 coins. It's 1, 2, 3. I'm done. I'm done. This is it, I'm done. Nope. The fish on is a fire, but what have we witnessed? What have we witnessed? Okay, wait, hold up. Get the 15 meters back in. Let me do this comparison. His gun is more accurate at 20 meters than mine is at 15. What? Sorry, what? What have we done? I'm sorry, but I didn't think on the mask is what have we done? What? How? Sorry, how? 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 No, sorry, give me a break. I need a while. What? What? Alright, thank you. Shit. Maple Leaf is not going to be happy.
They're not gonna be happy. No.
They're not happy.
They're not happy at all.
I don't know what to say. Congratulations. Congratulations. You've broken it. Wow! They can shoot at $5 coins. At 20 meters no less. Bro, do you realize how bad it is? It's more accurate than the Amiga Striker. You found a setup for the Hoplophile barrel to make a gun more consistent than a gun with a more...
precision tool.
Yeah, a precision tool. We've done it! We've done it! This is it! Like, we've proven it. I'll give it back.
So yeah, guys,
yeah.
This is a GHK AK, well, highly modified, but inner group, Unicorn AG, and
a Maple Leaf hop-up unit.
On a Maple Leaf hop-up unit.
No less. Remember, it's a mod. It's a mod.
It's a hack job.
It's not supposed to be in there. Yet
it is.
Look, Commiebear.airsoft done it, and what the fuck have we just witnessed? What?
Let's just say
let's just say,
this is gonna be the rolling? No, the bloopers. Yeah.
Just fucking start shooting. So come Okay, so proudly ashamed. Yeah, there's nothing to say about it. We shot 2 groups with both guns, each getting a go at it. Of course, I'm a lousy shot. I didn't connect on the paper for his AK because, yeah. But other than that, at 20 meters, the unicorn is just so good that even if you put it in any system, you could get good results. This is my maple leaf out of my M4, which has a slightly longer barrel, but yeah, walk of shame. His groups,
So
other than one flyer, look at this.
You see this group? This is a group that I shot. So 4 shots connected somewhere in the Hong Kong $5 coin, 1 flyer, but that's about it. Hoplophile's group. Well, we're not gonna talk about that.
Yeah, I just.
You didn't see that. You didn't see that.
You didn't see that.
You didn't see that.
I'm just lousy shot.
I think you're going. Holy shit.
Holy shit. I went all the way back there, free-handed a popper at the back. Perfect. There's nothing to complain. Yeah, I'm getting that. So if you want to see a mod guide on a AK, point it to go to this channel. He's going to post it somewhere down the line.
I'll post it somewhere down the line, but I am on Facebook. You'll find me as Commiebear.airsoft. I will be posting how to do this mod. As to where to get the barrel, you can buy from Bang Bang or come to Fenrir Zero. You'll find our friend.
Fenrir Zero, right?
You'll find our friend Joseph Noah. He's one of our affiliates with Unicorn, so he will have the right barrels for this mod. Check him out.
Yep. So, yeah, I'll probably do this mod as well in the future. So he's probably gonna have a second time come on channel, teaching me how to do the mod, and yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys.